What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's bed rack Delta on this Can-Am Defender. First thing we're going to do is grab our thumb screw, our lock washer, take the lock washer, slide it over top of the thumb screw, just like so. Then grab your flat washer, slide it on. Then we're going to grab our aluminum insert. It's going to sit down in the channel of the bed right here, as well as right here. Then we're going to grab our side panel as well as one of our threaded clips. We're going to take the threaded clip and just slide it up into the bed area. So once we have our washers on here, what we're gonna do is take our side panel, flip it up, slide your screw through, just like so, and then just thread your clip onto your hardware. So just thread it on a couple turns, just like this. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Line it up in the bed. And we're just going to rotate and tighten until it bites an edge. Now we're going to install the rack. I'm just going to line the holes up with the notches. Then we're just going to take our hardware, drop it down through, line it up. We'll take a nut on the bottom side and just go ahead and get it started. We're just going to continue going through and putting all of our hardware in through the notches. Now we're just going to fully tighten all of our hardware. So once you've went through, fully tightened all your hardware, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's bed rack Delta on this Can-Am Defender. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.